Okay, good morning. Let's start. Let's kick off the Pharma APAC track. So welcome, very warm welcome here. This is the Pharma conference and this is the Asia Pacific track. And I just have a few opening remarks to start this track of this great conference. So again, welcome. And if you want to follow the slides or if you want to have some of the links that are available in these slides are available at danielinteractive.github.io/rpharma-apac-2024. Okay. So danielinteractive.github.io/rpharma. Maybe I quickly also put this in the chat that you have it. Okay. So, and yeah, welcome to the APAC track in particular. So this is the first year, as you know, that we are running scientific tracks in our pharma for both the, let's say, European, Africa, and US, South America, and America's time zones, and now also Asia Pacific. So this means that this week we actually have almost 24 hours live RN Pharma conference content for you. So wherever you are in the world, probably there's always something going on in RN Pharma that you can listen to and you can learn. So we have in particular great content from the speakers in the APAC region now the next 3 days. So we already had 2 workshops the last 2 days. Those have also been recorded. So if you missed them, don't worry. They will be available on the YouTube channel in a couple of weeks. We have now 20 presentations upcoming here, contributed presentations by speakers in the Asia Pacific region over the next 3 days. We will have 3 keynote replays followed by discussion panels. So today we will have Joe Cheng's keynote and a small discussion afterwards. And we have also 2 roundtable discussions scheduled. So today we have a China panel discussion. We will see that later in the schedule. And as I mentioned, all of the presentations will be available on YouTube channel after RN Pharma, except for the roundtable discussions. They will not be recorded. So I want to really extend my gratitude to the whole APAC track committee. Okay, so here's the 12 people who were part of the APAC track organizing committee to make this happen, and we met over almost half a year every 2 weeks for 1 hour. So there's a lot of time, plus additional time needed to organize this and to set up the Zoom and in connection with Harvey Lieberman and Eric Nance and all the others from the global track, really make this happen. So thanks a lot to everybody here on the committee for investing time into this. So some housekeeping remarks, some general guidelines. So please, if you are not familiar with the terms and conditions, how to behave here, please check the website at rnpharma.com/post/FAQ. The RN Pharma conference is a non-commercial conference. Okay, so it's also for free. And that means vendors are welcome to attend, but as practitioners and not as salespeople. Please be patient with us. Virtual conferences are different, as you know already very well. And this is actually our first year of the RN Pharma conference, where the conference is hosted on Zoom events. So before the last few years, there was another framework that was used, another provider. If you need help, if you have any questions, please reach out in the conference chat in the lobby. There's also a contact form on rnpharma.com website. If you have any direct questions, anything that's not good or anything that you want to give feedback, you can also directly email to info@rnpharma.com. So that's the global email address, or directly to me, daniel@rcorners.com, for the APAC track. Little introduction for those who are new to RN Pharma. What is RN Pharma actually? It's a volunteer organization of passionate R practitioners in the pharmaceutical and biotech industries. And there is an annual meeting, as we are now here, usually at the end of October. And it started actually 6 years ago. So 2018, there was in-person conference that year and also 2019. Then with COVID, everything switched to virtual from there on. And you see maybe that I already proudly wear here the 2020 T-shirt from Iron Pharma. So that was the first year I attended. If you want to help, you're very welcome. Please join our community. Email to info@ironpharma.com to get started. And in 2024, it has been a busy year also, except also besides this annual conference, there was the POSIT-Conf roundtables. There's the Diversity Alliance. There were the Hangouts calls. There was the Gen AI Day already, also organized by Iron Pharma. And there's the community newsletter. Please also have a look out for all of these great events and ways to connect. I also want to quickly mention the Brian Bowl Award of Excellence. So Brian Bowl was an innovator and thought leader in the healthcare and life sciences space, working with R and an early adopter of Shiny. The Brian Bowl Award of Excellence is presented annually in recognition of outstanding achievements in open source life sciences. This year, we're proud to present it to the R Consortium Working Group for Submissions for the incredible work in pushing boundaries for submissions to regulatory agencies. So big congratulations to the submissions working group here. We also would like to thank the Iron Pharma sponsors, Novo Nordisk, Johnson & Johnson, and POSIT. Iron Pharma Virtual, what else is there? You can use the hashtag #IronPharma in social media posts to celebrate Iron Pharma. You can wear Iron Pharma like I'm doing right now with a t-shirt. So you can buy some swag from the online merchandise store with the shipping from the US. So you can head over to bonfire.com/store/open-source-in-pharma. And Halloween is tomorrow, 31st of October. And with Iron Pharma, we're collecting and sharing little horror stories about Iron open source, what can go wrong. I will later put this in the link in the chat. So we will do that. I will put that during the keynote. And you can contribute some kind of things that went wrong, maybe with some of your art programs or some kind of horror stories. And we will then share it later just for fun. So let's have a quick look at today's schedule. You can head over, of course, to ironpharma.com to access the schedule in your time zone. That's pretty handy. So I'm quickly opening here. Just want to give you a quick, exactly, that doesn't work again. Let's quickly have a look what we have. I can also quickly here show you like this. Actually, it's yeah, like this. That's not the view that you see, but that's the view that's easier for me right now to access. So we had the opening remarks right now. So in 2 minutes, we will head over to the other session. Okay, that's the Joe Chang keynote stream. So we will head over to that. Everyone, please. And once that's finished, that will take 50 minutes and not 40 minutes like here. Then once that's finished, we'll head over to the other Zoom session where we have a discussion about it, okay? Then we have a little break, probably 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, okay? And then we have the first kind of talk by Chengqian Wang, and then followed by another smaller talk by Toshiki Iwai and Tomoyuki Namai. Then we have a little longer break, 20 minutes. Then we have the China panel discussion, very exciting. There you can also participate. Then we have another longer talk. And then we have a break. And then we continue here with the last part of the afternoon here, where we have a lot of great contributed presentations. Okay. So, and overall, the program today is about 4 hours long. So finishing in about 4 hours from now. Okay, so that's kind of what you have. And please have a look at the Zoom schedule to see all of this, and there you can join the sessions. Okay, and with that, we're leaving here, and we're all heading over to the Joe Chang keynote stream, please.